Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you a small tutorial on Canva AI website builder. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and search for canva.com, and once you enter this interface or this website, you just have to click on Canva AI, and now you will have to click on Design for Me, and now I'm gonna type the prompt that will actually help me create my own website. So here in my case, I will type I need a website for cardiology doctor demonstrating the examination time and schedule, and I need some background photos of heart and cardiovascular system, and I need a small calendar for getting appointments. Okay, now I will simply hit the enter button or click on this arrow icon. Now I will give it some time. It will take its time thinking and doing the coding stuff. You do not actually need any skills of coding or anything that you will need, but here as you can see, it shows me some very satisfying websites, more cardiology website templates. Okay, this is the template. Okay, this is the calendar that I asked before, and now we can actually see how does it looks. Now I will tell it that I need the actual website, not just the templates. This is how it will appear, the headings and these scenarios, as you can see. Now I can go back, click on Canva, can go back, click on Design for Me. Then I will use the voice chat. Okay, now I need to design a website that is made for a fitness coach, and this fitness coach has many nutritional plans and also some training plans. This is another approach you can actually use. I'm gonna hit the submit button and see what results can I get actually with this prompt. You can change the prompt, and here you have it. Actually, it is very satisfying. So yeah, this is how you can actually use it. Maybe this one is perfect. I think this one is good. Yes, this one is very good. As you can see now, when I scroll down more, I have more and more options. You can publish this website by clicking on publish website. You can go back. Let me just go back just like so. And I don't know why it always shows me photos of women, but this is a fitness website, so it's mainly targeted to men. So I do not know why it shows all these women. Okay, it is actually a bit satisfying. So you may use this result and modify it, do the modification to it until it becomes more suitable to you. So you can change these pictures. You can simply click on these three horizontal lines and change these pictures. You can do the modifications by yourself, and it will help you actually get to the final result and the satisfying result. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, guys, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and see you in a new video.